I got this box in the mail today. I've already slid it open, but I haven't looked in there yet. This is not just any box. This is from W. Norton Publishers, the publishers of my fourth book, Under Alien Skies, A Sightseer's Guide to the Universe. This is the galleys for the book, and that's sort of a rough printing of the book. It's also called an advanced reading copy, or ARC. And it's basically the book completely laid out so that we can see how it looks and everything, make sure everything's all right with it. But it's basically the first time the book has existed in physical reality. And so this is it. This is the first time I get to see it. So let's take a look. All right, I'll take this and... Ooh, oh, yep, there we go. Yes! Under Alien Skies by Philip Plate, PhD. That's me. A Sightseer's Guide to the Universe. And see, that's where it says there, advanced reading copy. Not for sale. Can't sell these. But here it is. Look at that, an actual book. Neat. A little, there you go, Under Alien Skies. Also by me. I've written other things. Oh, check that out. Check that out. So cool. And I can't really show you the whole thing because, you know, you gotta buy it when the time comes. But there it is. Oh, it's an actual book. It's an actual book. Coming to booksellers near you or online or wherever you can buy your books on April 18th, 2023.